Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can disable your active status in your Facebook. So if you don't want your friends to know that you are active on Facebook, then you can follow this simple guide. First, simply click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on the settings gear icon and it will lead you to the settings and privacy page. Then scroll down until you see this option which says active status. Simply click on the active status and here you can see that currently this is enabled. So what this does is that your friends and connection can see when you are active or were recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. To change this setting, turn it off whenever you are using Messenger or Facebook and your active status will no longer be shown. So what you need to do is simply turn off this toggle right here and it will ask you for a confirmation. Simply click on the turn off button and here you are all set and get to go. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.